Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Floodwood, Minnesota, a small town along the St. Louis River. This community has a long history tied to logging and farming in northern Minnesota. It was founded in the late 1800s when settlers moved here to take advantage of the rich forest and farmland. Over the years, Floodwood became a hub for trade, logging camps, and later farming families. Today, it's best known as the catfish capital of the world and hosts an annual catfish festival. The town's location makes it a natural stopping point between Duluth and the Iron Range. Locals enjoy the outdoors, with fishing, hunting, and snowmobiling being part of everyday life. Whether you're here for the festival, a river view, or just passing through, Floodwood offers a warm welcome in true Minnesota style. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Floodwood, Minnesota. Thanks for watching!